I blew up this channel from 0 to over 500,000 subscribers in just 35 days. But the craziest part is that I also made over $12,000 with just YouTube AdSense alone. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, as you can see here, I started this channel just a month ago, and I've already gained over 150 million views. And as you see here, my RPM for this channel is about 35 cents, which is not bad for a shorts channel. Now, I don't know about you, but YouTube automation with AI is a massive golden opportunity. And if you aren't taking advantage of it, I'm sorry to say, but you are missing out. So in this video, I'm here to make sure you're also able to replicate exactly what I've done. We'll be starting a new channel together. I'll cover everything from finding viral ideas, scripting, getting the clips, and finally, we'll create our very first video together. Trust me, guys, this video is unlike anything you've ever seen. I'm not going to be like any of the clowns you see on here. I'm providing the actual sauce over here. No bullshit. So if you have the patience to watch this entire video, then you will literally be able to do the exact same thing. Also, for those of you who stick with me throughout this video, I'll be revealing a very dark way to monetize your channel and make even more thousands of dollars. And no, this is not just a retention hack or a trick. I will legit provide you with everything you need to start printing the big bucks from your channel. I actually know what I'm talking about. All you need to do is listen carefully to whatever I say in this video. In fact, let me show you one of my videos that got over 15 million views.
This is why Steph Curry has supernatural powers. After this game, a guy approached and challenged him to make a basket from outside the court. He accepted and shocked everyone. Take a look.
Okay guys, we will be creating a video similar to this, but with a different direction. So if you are ready, then let's go get that bread, baby. Alright guys, the first step is obviously going to be creating a new channel, but if you are watching this video, then I'm pretty sure you already know how to do that. But what if I told you that there is a way to get a channel that will make money from your very first post? I have a friend who runs this website where you can buy a fully monetized YouTube channel that has a very high quality Western audience. These monetized channels are a faster way to start making money with your channel because you skip all the initial steps of hitting the monetization requirements and you can make money from your very first post. I'll leave the link to the website in the description, so use it to buy yourself one of these monetized channels. And since I love you guys so much, I got you a reward. Use the code VictorArthur at checkout and you won't regret it. Alright, we're gonna start by finding ideas. Now this is the part where I see most beginners struggle. If you are not able to find the right ideas, then you are bound to fail in the YouTube automation game. I see most people thinking that they just need to find an idea they're interested in and start making videos on it. But here's the actual truth. Doing this is gonna waste your precious time, and trust me, you do not want it to be there. Finding viral video ideas is the most crucial step when it comes to this whole process. You may be asking why. Well, a little mistake here can cost you hours and days of pain and sweat, which will bring in no results. So make sure you pay close attention here. I'm going to reveal the secret trick I use to get countless ideas for my faceless channels. And no, it is not ChatGPT, so relax with your beautiful face. First, go to my free Telegram page, which is linked in the description. You'll find a Google document that contains a series of prompts like the ones you see here. These prompts are what you need to generate countless video ideas that are guaranteed to go viral. So you can go through them and choose the one you prefer. I'm going to be choosing the third one, so I'll copy it. The AI tool we will be using to get the ideas is called DeepSeek. Most gurus would tell you to use ChatGPT, but I think ChatGPT gives only generic and non-original content, so I prefer DeepSeek. And besides, it is the tool I use to grow my channel to over 500,000 subscribers in just 35 days. Alright boys, now let's paste the prompt we copied here. Now don't hit enter yet. As you can see, we need to first type in the number of ideas we want. So I'm going to type 30 because I need 30 ideas. Feel free to enter any number you prefer. Now hit enter when you are ready. As you can see, DeepSeek is doing all the work for us. And if you're still watching this video, please drop a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Good job. Now you can see that we have 30 solid ideas that we can use, all thanks to DeepSeek. Alright, listen closely. Having 30 ideas doesn't mean you need to use all of them. You have to go through the ideas DeepSeek has generated and make sure they are interesting and will be fun to watch. Remember, you don't want to bore your audience with some dull video, so I will be repeating this process until I find a video idea that I like. I'll be back.
Many unbearable hours later.
Alright, I have found the perfect idea, which I think is going to go absolutely viral. The video is about a man doing a bungee jump, and it has a man cutting the rope slowly. This is a perfect video topic because it builds up tension, and the viewer will stay to see what happens at the end. So once you have your video idea chosen, it's time to move on to the next step, which is writing the script. Again, you must listen carefully and pay close attention to this section. If your script sucks, your video will not perform. Your audience will only watch a few seconds of your video and they'll scroll away. When this happens, you'll get low retention, which will result in low views. The YouTube Shorts algorithm algorithm favors videos with longer retention. You must aim for at least 80% retention if you want your video to blow up. So, allow me to show you how it's done. Before we begin with the script writing process, you must first watch the clip you are going to use and analyze the actions happening. If you don't have the clips already, let me show you the fastest way to get them. Once DeepSeek provides you with a video idea, you can go on TikTok and search for it. In my case, the scary bungee jump video. I will open up TikTok and search for it, then scroll through the results until I find the particular one provided by DeepSeek. After you find the actual clip, you must download it using a TikTok video downloader to get rid of the original TikTok watermark. I have left the link to the TikTok video downloader I used in the description. So click on it and then paste the link to the original video, then click on download, and that's it. I have acquired my clip and I am ready to start scripting. Now, open up a blank Google Docs document. Our script is going to be just a commentary on the actions happening in the video. Now, the first 2 to 4 seconds of your script is called the hook, and it must be a strong one. This is what will cause the viewer to stop scrolling and watch your video. If your hook is not strong, then I'm sorry, but you are going to lose a ton of viewers. Now, there are many types of hooks to use. Here are a few examples.
What happens when you do 100 sit-ups every single day for 30 days straight?
You are ruining your videos if you don't use these 3 types of hooks.
I know a lot of you guys are wondering how to get paid on Instagram.
All right, so I'm going to write my hook. Perfect. Next, I must describe the incident happening in the clip to the viewer, so I'm going to do that. Here is the final script, and I don't know about you, but I think this is a solid script. I have dropped some valuable gems in this video, and all I ask in return is for you to click on that subscribe button and like this video. I appreciate it. Now, let's move on. The next thing we're going to do is generate a voiceover for our script. Adding a voice to the video will help increase the retention rate. The AI tool I will use for this step is called 11 Labs. This is the best AI voice generator tool I've seen so far in the industry. In fact, the voice you're listening to right now was generated using 11 Labs. So use the link in the description and sign up for a free account on their website. You will be given 10,000 free words to use, which is more than enough. Once you're on this page, you must first select a voice to use. So go to the voice library, and here you'll have thousands of free professional voices you can use. So listen to the samples and choose your preferred voice. I already have a voice chosen, so I'll use that. All right, copy your hook and paste it here, then click on generate. Wait a few seconds and it's done. Let's listen to it.
This is the most terrifying way to bungee jump ever.
I think it sounds perfect. So let's copy the actual script and paste it. Again, click on generate and download it onto your device. And that's it. We are done with this step. So we have our video idea thanks to DeepSeek, our clip thanks to TikTok, and our voiceover thanks to 11 Labs now. The next step is to start putting everything together with the power of editing. I will be using CapCut for this step. So if you don't have it, make sure you download it to follow along. First, open it up and create a new project. Then go to modify and change the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is the ideal size for YouTube Shorts. After that, upload all the assets, the voiceover and the video clips. Then start by dragging and dropping the video clip onto the timeline. After that, watch the video and cut out the boring parts. Once that is done, place the voiceover under it. Make sure the video aligns perfectly with the voiceover so that you don't confuse your audience. Once that is all done, watch the video again and make sure everything is okay. Now let me show you another retention hack. We are going to be adding captions to the video. This boosts retention significantly since it keeps the viewer's eyes busy while watching your video. Also, every viral short has it. Fortunately for us, it is going to be very easy to create. CapCut provides an AI that does everything in one click. So first, go to the text tab, then click on auto captions. Select the language as English, and then click on generate. Wait for a few seconds, and boom, our captions are ready. All we need to do is customize them a little. I'll change the font color and also place the captions in the middle of the video. You can change the font style and size if you prefer. Finally, let's color grade our video to improve the visuals. Add a new adjustment layer on top of everything. Then on the right side, you can play with the settings. I like to increase the contrast and saturation and also boost the brightness a little. And that's it. Our video is done and ready to get views and bring in the big bucks. If you've made it this far into the video, then I appreciate you. As a thank you, I'm going to reveal a secret way you can double your earnings. You can repost the videos you create on TikTok and start making money from their creativity program. A much faster way to do this is to buy a fully monetized TikTok account from the website I talked about earlier. The link is in the description. This account has all the requirements and you'll start earning from your very first post. So this basically sounds like free money being placed in your pocket, and everyone likes free money, unless you're my ex. Anyways, I hope this video has been very helpful. Please click on the subscribe button and also leave a thumbs up. If you have any questions or opinions, drop them in the comment section and I'll answer them for you. I'll see you in the next one, but until then, peace out.